Hi! Kumusta sa lahat? Sa mga tao sa buong mundo? How are you? I wish that everything will be okay. And now it's very early now already. I prepared always that one of the school day. I prepare always very early because I prepare first by myself and then before I go to the kitchen. So I need to wake up early. That's why also I sleep early because of the school days. But if holidays or Friday and Saturday, sometimes I wake up only, I prepare the breakfast of Sisi. It depends if she want to eat breakfast. But mostly she need, I give her breakfast, always breakfast talaga. And the milk in the school days, from the breakfast, I didn't give her milk because I bring milk to the school. Because sometimes in the school, there are some children, they are eating their breakfast. And Sisi also, if they say that they are eating, if she want also, so I prepare milk and egg, boiled egg. Where is the boiled egg? The boiled egg is here. Ayan, that one. The egg is necessary talaga. You must to eat every day. For the children, I think one, it's okay. But for the adult, you must to have to take 2 eggs every day because that is good for our health already. And now for the breakfast, this one is the red rice. Okay, so I mix some chicken so that she can eat also together for the lunch, for the rice, the red rice. And this one, same as usual, I give him extra for the snacks, and she can choose what she want. And I don't like Sisi that she will become hungry. That's why it's better there is extra, so that she can choose. And you know already that some children, they are looking, oh, what you are eating, what you have done, what you bring at the school. So at least she has food. Okay, you must be patient always talaga to wake up very early just to cook for Sisi. And not all nanny that like this one, but I wish the whole nanny, especially if you have children, you must be patient, except if there is the madam. The madam will be the one to take care also, and to prepare everything what the needs of the children, and to assist the some nannies. But me, since Sisi, when she is with me, when I arrive, but she's already 3 months, and until now, so always I give rice to Sisi and food, breakfast before to go to the school. Even she's only at the house, take breakfast talaga si Sisi, early breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Except the dinner is the slight only, not a heavy food I give to Sisi, even for me by myself. Because it's time to sleep, it's better to sleep that your stomach is not full too much. And milk, always milk every day, or shy, basta for the children, milk talaga every day. Let your children to drink milk and water, not soda, not Coke, because Coke or juice adi, but mga soft drinks, it's not necessary for the children talaga, it's not good. Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Keep safe lagi. And thank you to subscribe me and you likes me for my old videos. That's what I'm telling to you. That is my daily routine here as OFW working here in Iraq, Baghdad. So thank you again. Thank you. Ingat lagi. Sa buong mundo, nationwide, take care especially to our health, okay? Yela, bye-bye!